Forget what you know about winter veggies. Today, we're fusing rich pork ribs, fresh sausages, and caramelized cauliflower right here under the castle of Peñíscola. Extra virgin olive oil and a ring of salt around the edges to keep our station perfectly clean. In go the ribs and fresh sausages. We are looking for a deep, patient caramelization. That crust is where the flavor lives. Chop the cauliflower into small florets, but do not throw away the stem or the green leaves. They bring an incredible, earthy depth to the broth. Push the meat to the edges and drop the cauliflower into the center to drink up all that smoky pork fat. Pro tip: fry your garlic whole with the meat, then blitz it with your fresh tomatoes. Clear the center again, sweet Spanish paprika for 5 seconds. Then hit it with the tomato garlic paste. This clean burst of steam stops the spices from burning. Cook the sofrito down for 3 minutes until it's thick and jammy. Then coat everything in it. Now, our hot saffron chicken stock floods the pan. Drop the green leaves in and let it bring a roaring boil. And our golden rule: the rice goes in last. Rain that beautiful bomba rice across the boiling stock. Give it one gentle nudge to settle it. And then, hands off. No more stirring. High heat for 9 minutes. Low for 8. Listen closely to the end. That crackle means the oil is frying the bottom layer. We've hit socarrat perfection. Kill the heat, cover, and rest for 5 minutes. Look at that texture. Every grain separate, loose, and gleaming. Let's get that perfect bite, madre mia. The richness of the pork against that sweet, smoky cauliflower is unbeatable. Get the full recipe at iwantpaella.eu. Drop a comment if you're team cauliflower and hit subscribe. Buen provecho, familia.